So in the video today I'd like to talk about this Teufel Boomster Go. It's a cool speaker, it's like in this orange color, and it is pretty well designed. It has special radios on the side, it has a micro USB board sadly, so it isn't the newest USB. Also battery indication, power on, power off button, Bluetooth button, like buttons on the front. It is a cool speaker. Its audio performance is maybe not powerful, maybe also not like extremely well tuned, but it is a solid all-round speaker. It is compact, and thanks to the passive radios on the sides, it does have a bit of a fullness in the sound. At least it sounds a lot better than most other Bluetooth speakers that are like very compact, because those like lack in bass performance or lack in treble performance, and this is a bit of an in-between kind of audio experience. It's definitely not a great speaker, and its normally price would be a bit too high, but these days Teufel did drop the price on the speaker, so it's around like 70-80 euros. And for the price it's fine, like it's waterproof and everything, and it can have like some damage and everything, so it is just a durable Bluetooth speaker with a pretty decent audio. So let's just go to the audio samples so you see yourself how this thing performs.
You said there ain't no reason, but I sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we walk to
as diamonds, where if you search you will find it. I know that times have changed, but I don't wanna play no games, baby. I'll treat you different, show you commitment. You might be my baby, let me love you crazy, let me hold you down like gravity to the ground. Oh, you might be my baby, I ain't gonna be shady, I ain't messing around. Let's fall in love, I won't let us fade away, even when we old and gray. Know that I'll be here to stay. Let's fall in love, I won't let us fade away, even when we old and gray. Know that I'll be here to stay and give you that retro love, give you that
Maria, I wanna make everything okay. Don't trust me, forgive me, you have to find a way. Maria, I wanna make everything okay. Don't trust me, believe me, you have to run away. What you expect me to do? Push you away when we're both feeling blue. No lies can help with what you're going through. Some things can change, but you know it won't. Why do we wait for the worst? Everyone knows that the ending. Why be together right now?